Hello everybody. Today I'm making two-tone Easter chocolate rabbit design. So I'm melting my unrefined cocoa butter. I'll melt it until it's smooth. I'm adding powdered sugar and I'll stir it in. I'm now adding in powdered milk and I'll continue to stir it until it is smooth. I'm pouring some of this chocolate mix out because I'll be doing two colors for my Easter rabbit chocolate. I want this white part thicker, so I'll be adding more powdered milk and I'll stir it in again. Look at my mold, isn't it beautiful? Look at this rabbit shape. Start by pouring in the white chocolate and the bunny mold bit by bit. And I'll put them in the freezer to fully set before I add the next one. I'll be adding cocoa powder to this white mixture to make the second color. Alright guys, the bunny is all set. It's time to fill the background mold with milk chocolate. Guys, it's time to freeze this two mold until it's fully set. Are you ready? Are you ready? Are you ready, guys? Look at those. They're all set. It's time to unveil them Let's pop them out, guys. This broke before it came out. It's all good. Look at that perfect two-tone chocolate design. Isn't it beautiful? Would you eat this bunny or would you gift it? Let me know in the comment. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, share and comment to support me. I love you all. Bye for now. Mwah.